Nature is the greatest artist of all. From the towering peaks of mountains to the delicate petals of a flower, it paints a masterpiece that inspires awe and wonder. In this video, we take a journey through the beauty of nature, exploring its diversity, its power, and its ability to heal and inspire. Mountains stand as timeless sentinels, their peaks touching the sky. They are a testament to the Earth's raw power, formed over millions of years by tectonic forces. But mountains are more than just rock and ice, they are home to unique ecosystems, where life thrives against all odds. From the hardy plants that cling to rocky slopes to the majestic animals that roam their heights, mountains remind us of nature's resilience and grandeur. Forests are the lungs of our planet, breathing life into the world. They are places of tranquility and mystery, where every tree tells a story. From the towering redwoods to the lush rainforests, forests are home to countless species, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. They purify the air, regulate the climate, and provide a sanctuary for both wildlife and humans alike. Water is the lifeblood of nature, shaping landscapes and sustaining life. It flows through rivers, crashes onto shores, and falls from the sky, creating some of the most stunning scenes on Earth. Whether it's the serene beauty of a lake at dawn or the raw power of a waterfall, water reminds us of nature's ability to be both gentle and fierce. Nature's beauty is not just in its landscapes, but in the creatures that inhabit them. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every species plays a role in the intricate web of life. The vibrant colors of a tropical bird, the grace of a deer in the wild, or the playful antics of dolphins, these moments remind us of the magic and diversity of life on Earth. Nature is a gift, a source of inspiration, and a reminder of our connection to the world around us. Its beauty is timeless, its power unmatched, and its importance undeniable. As we marvel at its wonders, let us also remember our responsibility to protect and preserve it for generations to come. After all, in the words of John Muir, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks.